Alrighty then, guys. This is going to be a bit of a longer one because I added a lot. First thing you'll notice is that the icon isn't my face. Nice. Okay, so we've added some quality of life stuff here, right? So let me just sign out of the current account. So if you're not signed in, you're immediately taken to the login page. But if you are signed in, it'll just go straight to the online activity, which is cool. So let's create a new account real quick. We will call it Sunflower at sundrop.com. And we'll just do like a dummy password, Sunflower, sign in. Oops, create account. So you'll see here everything's the same as the last time for the most part, but I've expanded on the user list. So if you press here on a user, it'll do a query to the database and it pulls their information. So, I'm aiming for this to be like a little scheduling app so that people can, like organize gaming sessions more or less. So you can see when people are available, their username, and I'll probably expand on that moving forward. And another fun thing is that if, for example, their availability lines up with yours, you can send them an invitation. And I'll double down on the invitation stuff later on. Anyways, let me just opt in and go home. So furthermore, I've expanded on the profile information. So you'll see here, there is a display name. So if I want to change my display name, I'll say like Sunflower, but cooler, right? So when I confirm, but cooler. When I confirm the changes here, it'll be reflected on the database, and other users will see that this has changed. Again, as I said, I wanted this to be like a sort of gaming scheduling app, so you can like post, what do you play? So for example, I want friends to play Final Fantasy XIV online with me. And then let me set my availability, for example, weekends. I'll clean up this part, but for the time being, this is more a proof of concept. Say hypothetically I'm free at 3. And ideally I want to have like a duration. So I'll change these fields up a little bit so that it's much more user-friendly. Anyways, once I'm happy with essentially my Craigslist posting, we'll confirm changes. You'll see that that is what people will see, and then go OK. So we'll head that. For example, if we go back to the online activity, you'll see here that my entry has changed and the information posted is different. So that's pretty cool. And then one other thing, I now implemented an invitation system. So you'll see here that you can see invitations that are sent and invitations that are received. This account we just created now, so you won't really see anything, but let me go into an example, right? So we'll go into this account, emeric@borel.com, and we'll put in the password emeric, right? Oops. So you'll see here, again, same users, you'll see the one that we made earlier, same information. But when we go to the invitations page, you'll see all these sent invites and received invites. It just looks like gibberish right now, but what it actually is the first string is the person who sent it, and the second string is the person who received. So the top list shows, It shows invitations you sent to other people. And the bottom list shows invitations you sent to you from other people. So this activity does a query every time it's opened of, invitations that are sent, that you sent, as well as invitations that are sent to you. So that's cool. It uses a lot of Firebase queries, but it's nice. I'll be sure to make them more efficient when I can, and clean them up when I can. So anyways, that's the progress for the last day or two. Moving forward, I want to expand on the party functionality, essentially. So what I want to do, right, is that when you see these invitations, you'll have the option to form a party with them at a certain time and date. And there, you'll be able to basically, I don't know, set your calendar or just chat. And, oops. And, yeah, that's a fun little concept. I'll probably expand on that. And also moving forward, I want stricter email requirements just so they can't just spam it out. And, oh, one other thing I can probably fix quickly is that here, the availabilities don't query from the server. And I can probably do that quickly, but I'm tired. So anyways, that's the progress report for the last 1 or 2 days. Appreciate it. Hope you think this is as cool as I do. Because, yeah, it's neat. Bye-bye.